I always turn my negatives to be positive. Obi grace or sin, Nano Kasa, Obi Befi said or sin, or say can you be Japan, or promote me.
How do you expect that Dr. Mahmoud Baomi after election should call you and come and thank you? When you went for the money from Brian, did you come and say thank you? Have you gone to appreciate him? The money you took from Brian, that you didn't even tell the party. Who is this man? Why are we? Listen, and then he goes like, if I don't win, if you don't win, we don't care about you. Our last election, 90% of the information that was used against us was from him. He was the data. He was the content of the NDC. Kennedy is about tribal. Let me tell you, if anybody tells you Honorable Ken likes anybody who is a northerner or appreciates anybody apart from he himself, he's a liar. He hates Baumia with everything.
Why?
Now who shall know Muzano? Obi a uko interview, ubeka say we no anu nyina for ni intensuo na wo threaten sa na wako jina ye UN no wako jina no. When you go to the international platform and you stand there should be reputation.
So you don't believe Kennedy Japan can do those
things? He go and stand there, they say Marafaka. Now me then going. Are you serious?
This week there, lawyer Sarah Adwoa Safo waje internet na was we be abefedia former MP Edema Dobe Kwabenya constituency wo trending yepa ni nyina ye ensem ya wo kan ye edefa honorable Ken akompeko Japan lebusua na me no ka say honorable Aba wababa mani muaye na kokan so Aba bonten abetro ne support edema lawyer Sarah Adwoa Safo aye too much GH mama akwa Aba ede aba so na ma famous so first time nia obemi subscriber to no so ya no akai so the bell no ebeka ho sa no upload ni tumpe woni first person ya wo sa ebedika Kabusia empenifo se bebi a yechechira aboa no ehwa a na ya na yegya ne nti bebi kura honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo kogina ekokan ensem edefa honorable Ken akompeko kwa Japan ho a ebi kura kire se ensem na okokan na wonim se wo kan ensem no ede egu honorable ho ko wi eche no ama honorable campaign message a wode by na campaign ama delegate no aso abide man no do me Kwabenya constituency na me no ka say honorable Enra woni do we Kwabenya constituency for ehia na eho ene okokoma emuaye de ma ensem ya ni baby mama Adwoa Safo editu dwafa no a wo kire se ensem ya Sarah lawyer Adwoa Safo eka de fa no ho nyina no wo no emfa no ho kra na saa ensem na wo ka no wonim se wo ka de egu nanimu asna so wo ka ede aboa no ya enu amana hu nipaban a wo ye tisa ensem nyina wo no honorable Ken akompeko Japan de wo befa ne se campaign message na wo befa ne se eye victory na akọ ede amana busia ye bekwa akotie honorable ne ensem a wo kan ne wi a ko kanso Aba bonten abetro ne support ede ama lawyer Sarah Adwoa Safo.
I always turn my negatives to be positive. Obi grace or sin, Nano Kasa, Obi Befi said or sin, or say can you be Japan, or promote me.
It's way any ensem ya honorable Ken akompeko Japan ekopie mu ewo Dobe Kwabenya constituency no wode to delegates for no animanu achi na kokan so Aba bonten na wo kire se den aga na fo keka no wo sesen se ensem na lawyer Sarah Adwoa Safo kan no nukure o se nukure wo no wo nukoka de ensem na Adwoa Safo kan eye nukure trodo enuti wo rabo kana akompeko Japan 2026 31st January enkwawie no da fomtim.
He has 2 kids with Adwoa Safo. Adwoa Safo said he doesn't even feel safe if this man becomes now ordinary delegate. 24 years in parliament. How many companies do you have in Asen? In his hometown, mention one development, mention one football team, mention one event center in his hometown. Sometimes he opens his door for all these things to come. Campaign, leave your other contests. How do you expect that Dr. Mahmoud Baomi after election should call you and come and thank you? When you went for the money from Brian, did you come and say thank you? Have you gone to appreciate him? The money you took from Brian, that you didn't even tell the party. Who is this man? Why are we? Listen, and then he goes like, if I don't win, if you don't win, we don't care about you. Let me tell you, the party is uniting. If you decide to leave, do you know credit people who have died and the party is still going?
Don't you think his influence can help? I mean, you amass small numbers.
Baby, I see defense war crowd one so bu fast kum crofo no. Why? Baby, I see defense war so bu go so far war no. Credible people crowd election lose. Our last election, 90% of the information that was used against us was from him. He was the data, he was the content of the NDC. So, DMU, why do you think the NDC wants him? When he comes, they don't need campaign. They will just bring women to come and poke him, and he will insult them. They will bring pastors, and he will insult them. There is his people. There is a boy called Opon Brenya insulting Samira, Honorable Samira Baumia, that he's a Fulani, but that they are this. His station, Oman Netu, 24/7, insulting and denigrating people. Kennedy is about tribal. Let me tell you, if anybody tells you Honorable Ken likes anybody who is a northerner or appreciates anybody apart from he himself, he's a liar. He hates Baumia with everything.
Why?
Now who shall na umuzama? Obi a uko interview, ubeka say you know anu nyina afọ ni ntesuo na wo threaten sa na wako jina ye UN no wako jina no foul try be whistle near start.
Don't you think saying that you're being it, don't you think it's sensitive?
But you telling a woman, your people telling a woman he's mad, your people calling the former second lady that we fool and you Ghana tribal things, those ones are not sensitive.
So is that
no those people they aren't today Ghanaians.
So you can sit down for peace.
You said I said they've opened his head. Go and watch videos. Just like he said motherfucker, and his own TV station said they should bring evidence of him saying motherfucker and they brought. Go and Google. He said that Wakoye operation here be in it. He said it. I'm not the one saying it. The video is there. So why are you saying that Coca is the one saying it?
Okay, so in every institution there are laws governing an institution
Good.
and all those things. So as an MPP, there are laws.
Yes.
There's a constitution.
Yes.
Assuming you are threatening the whole party, what the law going to do to you? Because what he's doing is going beyond.
We have leadership crisis.
Okay.
There are issues. We have Pandai, we have other things. And what a lot of people are doing. And a lot of people are scared of him. So when he is doing things, look at you accusing the flag bearer of the party for conceding early. That power was so much important to you. But you are accusing somebody, but even your own seat, your own region, you couldn't guarantee the seat. The region you are in, you couldn't guarantee any seats in central region. But you are accusing Western region that they lost their seats.
Okay.
You said we should find X. We did the X and we found out you are the X. Right now, what do you want? Kodia came out. General Secretary came out to say that the whole party supported Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to affirm the fact that there was a need to concede. The former president were there, all the big people. And you're saying somebody who has won elections 2 times on your political strategies. On your political strategies. Who go national election down? Ken has not gone to national election now. The best he has done is insult nationals, but he has not gone for national. And you are accusing all those people. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, or all inclusive. Okay. The decision was taken by the party, and as a flag bearer, he was on the ballot board. And you are insulting him. What to an interview and waste time to insult them? You spoke that they demanded 8 million. Come and give evidence. You can. You sat on the TV to say that in Wali you saw people, you had 92 votes, and then somebody was collecting it in his pocket. You don't have evidence. Every day you are lying. Every day. The man is very consistent in lying. Tell me what Honorable Ken has done for Ghana. Tell me.
He said he has employed 7,000 people.
It's a lie. It's a blunt lie. When they said he should mention, he said he's scared GRA will come after him. Listen, Do you know the highest pay of people the highest pay is 1,000 cities in modern day?
Are you sure with this?
I've worked with somebody who worked with Ken and was taking 500.
The highest is 1,000 cities.
Yes. So what? You don't need to employ people to be a president. All you need is we need somebody who can harmonize Ghanaians, work with the rule of law, create an enabling environment where we can create jobs, get opportunities, and then grow. You need to unite people. You need to be appealing to the world that when you speak, when you go to the international platform and you stand there should be reputation.
So you don't believe Kenya Japan can do those things?
He go and stand there, they say Marafaka. Now me going. Are you serious?
He can't be the president.
Listen, Adwoa Safo is a woman, former MP.
Etabusia penifo se besepani konia han no ya ne etase ne benyansafo nsane mienu yakwa kotie e dia ba mesre se wo beja wadwenkyere e wo comment section ho so bo asete nsem no afefo adwenkyere no eto comment section ho e beje bre na yakenkan e dia ma all the social media handles no e too much gh o subscribe like no wa share na foforo so enye bia hwe dark gold enemy di macrown.